Most men over 40 use cloves completely wrong. They throw them whole into boiling pots or use pre-ground powders that have been sitting on a grocery store shelf for 6 months. By doing this, you're completely vaporizing the volatile oils responsible for skyrocketing your testosterone levels and blood flow. You are essentially consuming dead fiber and wondering why your physical energy hasn't changed. So what is this ultimate way to consume cloves, and how exactly do you prepare the mixture to see a radical difference in your vitality? To understand why this tiny spice holds such massive power for a man over 40, we have to talk about the primary enemy of your circulation, oxidative stress. Over time, free radicals attack the inner lining of your blood vessels. This causes microinflammation, making your arteries stiffen up, accumulate plaque, and lose their ability to widen when you need physical responsiveness. Cloves hold the absolute highest score on the ORAC scale, which measures antioxidant capacity. They are packed with a highly volatile aromatic compound called eugenol. In clinical biology, eugenol acts as a powerful protector of your cardiovascular system. It directly inhibits platelet aggregation, meaning it keeps your blood moving smoothly without thickening, while simultaneously relaxing the endothelial walls. By neutralizing the free radicals that destroy your body's natural nitric oxide, eugenol allows your blood vessels to fully dilate, delivering a massive rush of oxygen and nutrients straight to your heart, brain, and performance centers. However, if you just chew on whole cloves, your body cannot break down the tough plant walls fast enough to absorb the eugenol. To turn this spice into a highly bioavailable performance booster, you must pair it with raw, organic honey. This isn't just about masking the sharp, medicinal taste. Raw honey contains active enzymes and boron, a trace mineral heavily linked to increasing free testosterone levels in men. When you blend crushed cloves into raw honey, the natural sugars act as a rapid absorption Trojan horse. Your body absorbs the simple sugars in the honey almost instantly, drawing the dissolved, fat-soluble eugenol along with it directly into your bloodstream. This triggers a dual-action response. The honey provides an immediate glycogen energy burst, while signaling the brain to support hormone production, and the clove oils instantly wide open your arterial pathways to maximize systemic blood flow. To safely unlock maximum stamina and vascular expansion, you must prepare this mixture fresh and treat it like a precise medical dose. Take exactly 2 whole, high-quality dried cloves. Place them in a mortar and pestle, or grind them down fresh until they form a coarse aromatic powder. You must see and smell the oily residue left behind. That is the active eugenol. Immediately transfer this fresh powder into a spoon and add 1 teaspoon of raw, unpasteurized honey. Mix them thoroughly right on the spoon until the powder is fully incorporated into the honey. For the ultimate surge in morning vitality and daytime focus, take this single microdose on an empty stomach first thing in the morning, letting it dissolve under your tongue for a few seconds before swallowing. Alternatively, if you're looking for a direct boost in physical performance, consume this exact mixture 45 minutes before activity. Because cloves are so incredibly powerful, treating them like a casual kitchen ingredient can cause serious harm. The number 1 mistake men make is overconsumption. Eugenol is highly concentrated. If you consume more than 2 or 3 cloves a day, or try to swallow pure clove essential oil, you cross the line into cellular toxicity. Instead of boosting your health, an overdose of eugenol damages your liver lining, causes severe internal inflammation, and completely upsets your stomach, which crashes your energy levels instantly. The second mistake is using pre-ground clove powder from a tin jar. The moment a clove is ground up and exposed to air, its volatile oils evaporate within days. If you are buying cheap stale powder, you are consuming completely empty dust that lacks any biological activity whatsoever. If you want to stop guessing with your nutrition and start using heavy, factual evidence to protect your health after 40, hit that subscribe button and like this video right now so you never miss our breakdowns. Drop your age in the comments below right now and tell me if you have ever used cloves for your health before, or if you have ever even heard of this specific mixture. I am personally going through the comments today to help you guys fine-tune your daily routines.